This is our favorite beach camping spot at Carpinteria, California. This is on the way to Santa Barbara, and there are 4 loops. The first one is Anacapa here, and it's no hookups. There are decent sized sites. The only drawback of this one is it's behind the day use parking area, but once you pass the parking lot, you have access to the beach. And there are critters, squirrels mostly. I saw a raccoon once, but squirrels all over the place. This is the second loop, which is Santa Cruz. Also no hookups, and this one is packed in pretty tight. There are some spots that have some fairly decent grassy areas, or you might luck out and get this beachfront spot, which is beautiful. There's a bridge that you take across this creek, which is really dry. It's June 2016, but other times it's very full and green, and you can ride your bikes down there. This is Santa Cruz Loop, full hookups, water, power, sewer, very packed and tight parking lot style. The back loop's not as nice, obviously behind the fence and near the railroad tracks, but if you can be in the front, you have this great view of the beach. And here's the beach. There is tar on the beach. Watch out for that. It's really hard to clean up off your feet and clothes. The last loop is San Miguel. That's the one that is our favorite because it's easy to get in and out. The front beach row is only 18 feet paved, and there really is not much overhang because there's a fence there because of the erosion, and there's no fire pits on that beach row. We stay in the long row, which is 30 feet paved, and then you have some room for overhang. Our rig is 34 feet, and we fit fine. So you can dump at the dump station right here by the exit. There's 2 lanes. Dump your tanks and fill your fresh water, very easy. And there's a footpath that you can take. This is what makes this our favorite spot. Just great beach and then little town. Footpath to a playground for toddlers. And then there's a nice big grassy field to play. And you can just walk across the street and get food, or walk down the street, or some like the downtown area. This is Linden Avenue, and there's coffee shops and restaurants. And this is where the brewery is that we like to visit. So the train, it's right by the train tracks, and it's actually a really fun way for the trains. And the trains don't run at night, so you won't have any trouble sleeping at the campground. This brewery is fun because they have craft beer and they have music playing sometimes, food truck there. So just a very fun place to hang out when you're at the beach, and it's kind of like a combo deal where you are beach camping and getting a little beach vacation as well. This is a Neil Young cover band, my husband told me. They were really great. And of course, you're here for the beach, which is just a great place for surfing and swimming, bodyboarding, and we love this place. We try to come here as often as we can.